Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to add manual accounts and add manual transactions inside of Fina. So when you sign into Fina, you'll be in your profile here. You'll see your accounts tab and you'll be able to see all of your accounts listed here. There's two ways you can connect accounts right now. One is live using Plaid and another is a manual account that you can connect. So when you click the plus account or the add account button rather, you'll see these different options. So you'll be able to connect banks, investment accounts, loans, other assets, other liabilities. So if I click banks, for example, I'll be able to link these live with Plaid, or if for whatever reason I'm unable to find my bank or I would like to track something manually, I can do that as well. So if I click track depository account manually, I can go ahead and pre-fill these things and create this manual account. Let's just pretend like this is a cash account that I want to add. Or I have $1,000 sitting in cash laying around my house. So I just write cash here. Institution, I don't have one. Account type, let's go ahead and say other asset for this one. And then the current value, let's say it's $1,000. So I'm able to come in here, click save asset account. And then as you'll see, this cash account has been added. And then, yeah, that'll populate into all of your data here inside of Fina. So that is how you add manual accounts. Again, you can track things live or add them manually. But now I'm going to walk you guys through how to add a manual transactions attached to one of these specific accounts. So let's go ahead and add another one. I'm going to add a other asset account, and I'm going to call it test manual transactions. Institution, I don't have one. Value, you don't have to put a value, but I'm just going to put something there for fun. And then if I click this import manual transactions button right here, it's actually going to attach it to this specific account in this case scenario. So the account name is called test manual transactions. I have to authorize my Google account because basically I'm attaching a Google spreadsheet that has manual transactions listed on it, and those are going to populate into my Fina account. So if I click this click continue. I've already done this, so it's not going to do anything. But for you guys, just wanted to walk you through quickly the authorization flow. And then all you have to do is just paste the URL of the Google spreadsheet. So we made it super easy. We made a template for you guys. It's right here. So if you click this little copy button, that'll copy the template for you. You can come down here, paste it, and then, yeah, you'll be able to see the template pop up here in your browser. All you got to do is click File, Make a Copy. Click Make a Copy. And then this new spreadsheet is what you guys are going to use. So let's call it Account XYZ Test. It doesn't matter. But keep these fields the same because this is the data that we're going to populate into Fina. So let me go ahead and quickly fill out a example transaction. Alrighty, so I've added a transaction. It's going to be called XYZ transaction. Don't ask me why, but that's what I'm putting. The merchant, I just put Fina. The type, this is your category. I put subscriptions. The amount, I put negative 10. Let's make it negative 20.1. And all I have to do is come in here and copy this, go back into Fina, and then I will simply paste the URL of that spreadsheet. I've already authorized it with Google. And then it will actually show you the transactions popping in here. So as you can see, XYZ transaction, merchant Fina, type subscriptions, amount negative 20.1. So you'll see this table pop up. You'll click save. It's going to link that sheet for you there. And then you can click save asset account. And then voila, now we have another manual account that's been added. And this one actually has manual transactions tied to it. So as you'll see here, the data is still loading. It's applying a few changes. Once that is done loading, I will be able to go into my transactions. And as you guys can see here, I have XYZ transaction listed under this test manual transactions account. And I can change the category. I can do what I would do with any other transaction. So that's how you add manual transactions inside of Fina. There is another way. So inside of the transactions page itself, if you click the import button, you'll be able to select whichever account from your whole list of accounts that you want to add transactions to. So let's just say this is the Chase Sapphire one. I want to go and add more manual ones. Do the exact same process. I'll create a spreadsheet that's specific to this account. I'll load it in there. I'll add some manual transactions to it. I'll click save, and then those will populate into my Fina account. So it's as simple as that. Again, you can do it from this import side. You can do it from any of these accounts. If I click, edit account, I can go in here and add import manual transactions to that account as well. So the transactions are all applied on the account level, meaning that transactions are tied to a specific account. And yeah, you can get to them from either the transactions tab or the accounts tab. And that's how that works. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you guys for watching. And one last thing I do want to mention is we also have an export button that we've updated. So you can actually export raw transactions, or you can export them as a roll-up CSV file for tax purposes and things like that. So if you guys have any questions, as always, let us know. Keep us posted on more scenarios that you guys want to see added inside of Fina. Hopefully this has been helpful, and we'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.